welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is here. I'm here to share with you guys what I got from Temu. Now, if you guys watched lately, I have gotten a bunch of things, and I thought I was going to divide it up and share with you guys what I got. So today's going to be household items, stuff that you can use around the house, which I am pretty excited for some of the stuff that I have. So let's just go and check out everything that I got. Temu is a website that has awesome stuff, so many things that you can't even think of or you didn't even know exist for reasonable prices, and I am pretty excited to share with you guys some things that I got. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you guys this is make sure you read the reviews on some of this stuff. Some of the stuff, not that I got, but some of the stuff that you do look at, always read reviews and see what you guys can get. But if you guys are new to Temu, Temu offered me a code for you guys. So if you are a new user, you can use the code OFF, so OFF3269, and you can get 30% off your order. So everything that you guys want, you can get 30% off. Now, I do have a link below that has everything that I do share with you guys. Some of the stuff might be sold out. Some of the stuff might still be available. If it does sell out, just keep coming back. They will restock it. I've noticed that. And some of the prices I do tell you might fluctuate over time. It just depends on if you're buying around a holiday or if you're buying whatever. But I'm excited to just dig in and share with you guys what I got for household items that you guys might be able to use. So I ended up getting this back thing. This was $7.49. Now my husband's always trying to lay on this thing to crack his back, and I thought maybe this might be something. So this is something that you can use for your chair, just so you have arch support. I'm always having back problems. I actually have a back thing right here, but it doesn't do its job very well. But this is just something that you can do exercise on it. It does bend, and then you can like use it. But I thought this would be super cute to use for my husband to use. And yes, it's pink, but I don't care. But for $7.49, it actually looks like it's a pretty decent quality product. And I'm excited to definitely try that out. So this is something that I wanted to get last time, and they were sold out of it. So I ended up getting the refills for it, but I didn't get the little mop thing. So you're like, what the heck is this? So this is a little, like, you put it on the handle, and then so if you're at your like washing machine or your stove and you can't reach underneath, like some people can pull the units out, but what you do is you take the little thing and then it like goes under there, so you can sweep underneath your washing machine or your stove, and it's pretty easy. So you know, you just twist it on here, you got your little pole right here, and it takes a little bit more than just turning it on, but this is pretty easy. And for $5.29, I thought we're gonna get something like this for me to use, especially for like underneath my stove. Something's always spilling underneath the stove, so I ended up getting that. Now, this is something I got from my husband because he's obsessed with sauce. Sauce, and with me being a couponer, I'm always getting different types of sauce for him. So this is a 2-pack of plates. These were $4.68. I do know these were cheaper when I was first looking at them, but it is basically like a little plate that you can put whatever in, and then it's got like a little sauce little bin in here. And I thought this is perfect for him because he's always putting like sauce. I mean, these are good for like French fries, and you can put your ketchup in here, and it's actually a pretty decent like a little spot to put some good sauce in. I mean, that's over an inch. That's over an inch deep. But I thought these are super cute to use. You can put them in the dishwasher, which is nice, and you can freeze them and heat them up in the microwave, so that's kind of cool. But I thought, I'm gonna get these for him, and when I showed him, he's like, oh, that's actually a pretty good deal. I'm like, yeah. So then like if we're outside and he wants some like French fries or something, there you go, or chips and salsa, which the salsa might be a little too small. So I've been seeing this everywhere. This is something that's all ooey and gooey. So basically, this was $2.08. I'm not gonna open it, but it is like a slime. It is a slime that you open it up. Basically, it says check if you need to replace compared to the color. Okay, so this is like it's like a lime green, and then if it's like a dark green, you need to change it apparently. But it's something that like you can put in your keyboard, you can put in your car, and all the tiny little crevices, and it's like a gooey, oozy stuff that like peels it away. It like peels it away, like it shows right here on the back of your dryer, like your cell phone and stuff. And I thought I want to try it. It says do not rub, just press. Do not paste too long, so it absorbs all the stuff. It says it cleans it too, but I had to try it, and this, for that price, you couldn't go wrong. $2.08, so I had to get that. Now this was a little fabric thing. This was $3.78. So this is a vertical like fabric thing that a storage. What I plan on using is putting some blankets in it or pillows, and then kind of just putting it in my closet. My closet has a lot of space on the floor, but I want to get rid of some of the blankets and stuff that we have, and the kids keep digging stuff out of my one closet, so I thought I'd put them in a different closet. They would have no idea because there's side windows, but I'll have that hidden. But I ended up just getting something like this, so had to get that. And from the picture of it, it looked pretty big, so I ended up getting that. Now I've been having problems with my wrist. I'm always like, I have like a bad sign of carpal tunnel, but since I'm not like doing a lot of the same stuff lately, my wrists have not been hurting. But these were $2.24. I think this is a 1-pack or a 2-pack, but these are just wrist guards is basically what they are. Okay, it's just for one hand, but you can do it left or right, it doesn't matter. But I thought this would be kind of cool for me to use. It's actually pretty comfortable. And then I just take the thing, and yeah, oh, this is actually pretty comfortable. I like it. I like it. I have ones where I can't bend my wrist, but this is one where I can bend my wrist, but it still gives me support. So that was a great thing right there. I needed something like that for my wrist, so we got that. Now this is something I saw for the kiddos, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna try it. I've seen stuff like this like crazy. This was $13.08 for this. And you're like, Jennifer, what is it? What is it? What is it? Well, let's see what it is. So it is one of those little, it's called Frozen Magic. So what you do is you put your beverage of choice in here, and then there's like, must be gel or already in here, but you put your beverage of choice in here, and then you put it in the freezer, and then it turns into like a slush. So I'm excited to try one of these. My son really wants to, but yeah, it's like a gel in between here. You put your drink in here, and then as you're ready, you got your own little frozen like slushy drink. So like with soda and stuff, I thought that was super cute. It actually looks pretty decent quality. So got that. It says squeeze cup, and yeah, so pretty good. It came with a straw, and then it has a little spoon attachment to it with the straw part. And then I also have, it looks like it's a little sponge thing to clean inside the unit so you don't like scratch it up or put a hole in it, but had to try it out. We're gonna definitely try it out and have some fun. I know my kids will absolutely love doing it. But it says carbonated drinks, place less than a minute. What? Add ice cream, keep for 3 hours. You can put coffee in it. Oh no, actually, hold on you guys. So you put this cup in the freezer, and then when you're ready for it, then you put your drink in there, and it like instantly turns your drink into a frozen treat. So that's something kind of cool. Okay, maybe if I read the instructions I would understand it better, but I am pretty excited for that. I love frozen like slushies and stuff, so you can't go wrong with that. So these are two little crevices that are kind of the same thing. So this was 68 cents. This is just a little crevice that you can clean your windowsills with. My windowsills sometimes get really gross, and so and then I can't always get inside some of the crannies, like my patio door. I can't get all in those crannies. Like I've tried and I tried, but this has like a little divider, and for 68 cents it looks like it'll do the job. Now the handle is a little cheap, I'm gonna tell you guys that, like just squeezing it, but for how I want it to work, this looks like it'll work perfectly. And then this is basically almost the same thing. So this was $1.68, and this is to get little crevices also for my windows, my doors, even my shower door. I want to clean the shower door, and it's got like a little angled brush, and then it's got like a little brush here, but I thought that is something cool. Oh, look at that. And it's got tweezers. It's got little tweezers, so if you don't want to touch it, you can just put it in there. So that's kind of cool for $1.68, I think that was. Can't go wrong with that. So I got that. I got a couple more things to share with you guys. This is sold out when I checked the website, but I know this was like only like $2 for this. Maybe a little bit less, but I'm pretty excited for something like this. So this is like that chenille feel to it. Now these are for your blinds. So my blinds are super dusty all the time, and I thought these are super cute and you can just pop them right off, super easy. But I thought to clean my blinds, we're gonna use that. And my kids will probably think it's a fun little toy to play with, so we got that. I have bars of soap that I use, and my one that I'm having is like pretty much on the verge of breaking. So I ended up getting this. So this is just basically a soap holder. Here you just put this on your bathroom floor, on your bathroom wall. You stick it to your wall and voila. And then I like it how it has a little drain thing on here, and it's super cute. This was $1.18, but I thought this is super awesome to use for the shower. And then if you guys don't want to have the pink thing on there, you can always clean it pretty easy. I am going to say this isn't a great quality, but for what I want to use it for, it'll work. I mean, it's something that we're not going to like actually touch the unit. It's mostly just for bars of soap, but for $1.18. And then this is something I wanted to try, and we'll see how well it does. So this is a ceramic little sealer. So if you have a bag of chips that you want to like reseal, you basically just take it, and it has a magnet on here so you can put it on the fridge. It does take, I think, batteries where you put the batteries in, but basically what you do is you take your item and you just press it and then go along the product to reseal it. It feels a little chintzy, I'm going to tell you guys this, but we will see how well it works. I do like it that it has a magnet on it so you can see, you know, you can put it on the fridge and find it, but this is something to reseal in case you don't want to use potato chips, clamps and all that stuff, but for that price you definitely cannot go wrong. So that was everything that I got for my household products. I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. I'm excited to use some of this stuff to make my life a little bit easier. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And again, everything that I showed you guys, I do have the link below so you guys can find it on the website. And then if you guys are a new user, 30% off using the code OFF3269. They also have free delivery, so you guys can get it. Just say be patient if you do have to wait a little bit longer than usual, but they do keep you updated on as many updates as possible. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.